May I please, your Lord? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 50 of supplementary list, my Lord.
Item number?
50, my Lord. Of supplementary list, my Lord.
Item number?
50,
50.
my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, in this case, I have filed an IA, my Lord.
Huh.
In the original case, my Lord, I have challenged to an eviction notice, my Lord. But in that case, my Lord, the interim was.
What is your prayer now?
My Lord, that the matter may be taken after motion matter. My Lord,
No, no.
because
Next.
No, I pray for listing of a new case, my lord. My contact is in family matter, and I have been asked to vacate the premises, my lord. It's a railway post, my lord. I may be allowed.
When do you want?
But today, when I have filed, my lord, I am.
Tomorrow.
May I be, Lordship? Lordship, I am paying for listing this matter, Lordship, on fourth, Lordship. Admission matter, on fourth, matter related to tender, Lordship. The LOA was issued in favor of the petitioner, Lordship, without.
Wednesday.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 10. May this matter be listed before other bench, lordship?
Okay, list the case before events without me.
May it
No
please,
naam likhi dibo.
may it please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 25. Taking consent from the other parties would like to adjourn the matter for the day.
25.
Yes, your lordship.
You are for?
Petitioner. I'm
Okay.
on behalf of D. Rathi.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr.
A. Dev.
K. Dev, Learned Counsel, paying for the petitioner. When do you want?
Any date may be fixed
Okay.
on the first week of March. If it
List the case on so and so. The prayer, it is submitted that consent has been, the prayer has been made with the consent of the Learned Counsel for the respondents.
Black.
Daily list for motion. Item number 1.
May I please, your lordship?
Hmm.
My lord, this contempt petition is for the non-compliance of the order dated 10/6/25,
Page?
page 13, my lord. The operative part, my lord, will find in page 16. The second paragraph, seventh paragraph.
7th.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. S. Mitra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. First up. This contempt petition is preferred alleging non-compliance of the direction made in an order dated 16/6/2025,
10/6, my lord.
10/6, passed in WBC number 3870/2024. It is submitted that it is averred that the order dated so and so has been duly brought to the notice of the respondents. First of issue notice returnable follows. Steps upon the respondents by speed post within 3 working days from today.
Obliged, my lord.
Petitioner shall take steps.
This is non-compliance of the order, my lord.
Which order?
At page 40.
Page 40.
14. Last paragraph, my lord. There's claim of the petitioner for the payment of outstanding due of the hiring charge.
Same ho, J. I. Borbuya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. 8/8/2024, order dated in WBC number 2129/2024. Duly brought to the notice of the respondents. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondents. A speed post to KD, a speed post within 3 working days from today.
Item number 3.
With please, lordship. My lord, the order is at page 9, my lord. The last paragraph, my lord. It is needless to observe that the respondent authority shall be at liberty to finalize the claim that in accordance with law.
How can it be?
My lord,
Contempt.
yes.
Your writ petition has become infructuous.
my lord, what happened, my lord?
That liberty is upon them. If they have not exercised,
My lord,
maybe a cause of action
yes,
at
my-
best in a writ petition, no.
yes, my lord. I
At best in
appreciate.
a writ petition, not in a contempt petition.
My lord,
If liberty is not exercised by them,
yes, my lord,
there was nothing in your favor.
my lord. Whatever, my lord, during the writ petition pendency of the
What
writ petition.
is the order?
It was open, my lord. Whatever two packages were there, my lord. Against one package, my lord, they have already issued the work order, my lord. Against this,
It is
my- I appreciating your lordship,
no condemn.
my lord. Liberty
Should I
to,
dismiss?
my lord, I'm doing,
Liberty, it is up to you, already there.
yes, my lord.
Why should we condemn,
lord,
in a condemned jurisdiction, I should give
Yes,
liberty?
yes, my lord.
Better you withdraw, otherwise
lord.
I'll dismiss.
My lord. Do it, my lord.
Mr. S. Hawks, Learned Counsel for the petition, has submitted that the, this contempt petition may be allowed to be withdrawn. Petitioner submitted that. The petitioner wants to withdraw the contempt petition in view of the above submission made by Mr. Hawk, Learned Counsel for the petition. The contempt petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
My lord.
Item number 4.
My lord, this case relates to the non-payment of higher charge.
Okay, heard Mr. J. I. Borbunia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Bokolia. Learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam, for respond number,
For all men.
all the respondents. Full stop. This read petition is preferred. Stating that an amount of rupees 33,80,376 has remained outstanding to be paid towards hiring stroke requisition charges in respect of 3 vehicles belonging to the petitioner by the respondents. Issue notice returnable on so and so.
9-3.
As Bokolial has appeared accepted notice on behalf of all the no formal notice is necessary. Requisite number of extra copies of the requisition. How many you want?
Hello?
How many you want?
Copy given the line.
Extra?
4 copies, man.
4. Otherwise, 9-10 copies. Huh?
Only one thing, my lord, pendency of the case may not be.
It is observed that pendency of this writ petition shall not be a bar for the respondents to examine the claim of the petitioner and to release the entitled amount towards hiring charges, if any, to the petitioner.
Item 5.
And then we should report a petitioner. Z. Bokolial. No?
Well.
All the respondents. All the respondents?
My lord, man.
First of, the petitioner has stated that he was awarded a contract work order,
Yes, my lord.
work order
Work order has
on
been issued.
14/2/2022 by the respondent authorities
Admission is page 43.
for transportation,
Work order 18.
for transportation stroke doorstep delivery of food grains under the NFSA 2013 for the financial year 2021/2022. And the petitioner had duly executed the contract work. Full stop. The petitioner has made a grievance that his clearing stroke, his bills amounting to rupees 1,37,731 has not been cleared by the respondents till date.
Yes, my lord.
Issue notice returnable on so and so,
9-3.
as Mr. Bokolial has appeared accepted.
Can it be 12, my lord?
Huh?
Yes, no, Kullan.
Yes, 12-3.
12, my lord.
Okay.
Kullan.
No formal notice, extra
Oh.
copies in requisite numbers, pendency of the writ petition.
Item 6.
May I please?
Heard Miss P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. G. Bokolial, learned junior government advocate
Six.
for all the respondents. First of the petitioner was awarded an work order. Okay. And Miss,
All the respondents.
okay, Miss D. Bora, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department for all the respondents. First of. What kind of contract?
What's page number 17? The work order, apply of diet.
Petitioner was awarded an work order for supply of diet and other requirements on work order on 10/5/2021 for supply of diet and other requirements for COVID positive patients, including staff on duty and security personnel at MG Model Hospital, Lahori Ghat. First off, the petitioner has claimed that he had duly executed the supply orders and thereafter submitted bills amounting to rupees 9,17,841.41 in total. So, but the respondent authorities have not yet disbursed the said amount. So, hence the repetition. Issue notice returnable on sales
9-3.
as Ms. Bora. Same pendency of the repeat.
Item 7.
Same, Lordship.
Same.
Work order is defined. Page number 18.
Work order page number
18.
18. Work order same likhebo 20/05/2021 Bawalguri ITI COVID Care Center. Amount 43,33,195.92 in total.
4 weeks, Lordship. 4 weeks.
9-3.
9-3. Yes.
Supplementary list, item 39.
May it please your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, the present matter arises out of a tender process, lordship. And we have also filed an additional to bring on record the work orders. Lordship,
Where is the NID?
IT lordship, page number 21. 21.
Okay, installation to bidder scheme under. Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, there are two issues involved. One being the rejection of my technical bid, and another being the respondent authorities have issued work order in favor of the private respondents who have played fraud upon the respondent authorities, Lordship.
First, your case.
Lordship,
Rejection of your technical bid. On what ground?
Lordship, my technical bid was rejected on the ground of non-compliance of point 16 of the checklist. Lordship,
Point 16.
Lordship would find
Page
number 54, Lordship.
54. 54.
Page number 54 and 55, Lordship. The point
55.
it is in point number,
The support of
55.
owning or procuring on lease rent of the equipment proposed to be used for the work. In case the bidder proposes the higher or take the above. equipment on lease to submit from for yes, where is the minute?
Now, minute is in number 79, Lordship.
Hmm.
Now, Lordship.
There
yes,
was deficiency.
Lordship, yes, Lordship, but Lordship, point number 16 is a part of the checklist. And in page number 43, clause 26, Lordship. Oh, apologies, Lordship, page number 36.
Hmm.
Clause 12A, documents comprising the bid, technical bid. Lordship will see that in this clause, point number 16, that is the submission for lease agreement is not a part of this substantive ITB document, Lordship. All the other points are similar with that of the checklist. However, point number 16 is not a part of clause 12A, Lordship.
Tender documents are to be read in full, not part.
Yes, Lordship. And however, Lordship, may kindly now come to page number 43. Clause 26.
Hmm.
Examination of bids and determination of responsiveness. As per 23D, during the detailed evaluation of technical bids, the employer will determine whether each bid number D is substantially responsive to the requirement of the bidding document. Lordship, as per my understanding, non-compliance of point of the checklist couldn't mean that my bid was not substantially responsive as all the other
They
criteria
are
have
the
been-
author of the bidding document. They are the best judge, right? And what is your second point?
Lordship, the work orders have been issued in favor of the respondents who have played fraud upon the fraud upon the
How
authority.
they have fraud, played fraud.
Lordship may now kindly come to page number 115 of the writ petition. Who has it?
Hmm.
Annexure G.
Hmm.
Lordship, this is a turnover certificate submitted by the respondent number 6. Lordship, and in the following pages 16, 17, 18 and 18 and 19, these are the assessment data. Now, Lordship will see that the turnovers are highly inflated.
Oh, that is a matter to be examined.
This and also, Lordship, regarding the respondent number 7, he has leased vehicles which are unfit to be plied on road because their fitness expiration it has expired. Their fitness has expired in 2020.
That is not in black and white
Lordship, in
that
fact,
this condition should be there.
Lordship, fact situation
So
is
far,
that-
there is deficiency on your part in meeting the criteria that one of the vital document is the affidavit. And bidding documents are to be read in whole, not in part.
However, this is a curable defect, and the respondent number 6.
Curable, that is not for us
Lordship.
to decide which is curable, which is not curable.
However,
Tender jurisprudence is very limited.
Lordship, securing eligibility through inflated data is
That
distorting
inflated
the-
data, it is matter which requires examination. Hard miss.
their com-
Lordship, otherwise, Lordship, may I submit, Lordship? The work has been completed, Lordship.
How much period? What is the period of
3 months.
completion?
3 months, Lordship.
3 months.
Lordship.
3 months.
1811, Lordship, the work order is issued, Lordship.
1811.
Lordship. And they have come to the court on December 18, Lordship.
1811, 2025.
Lordship.
3 months means February.
February, Lordship. Now it is completed.
Not huh?
As per my instruction, completed, Lordship.
If you have a,
Copy I don't have, Lordship. I will get that copy, Lordship.
then to do,
I only.
survive, then for you to approach the civil court seeking
Yes,
damages if you have a case make out.
Yes, Lordship.
Otherwise, that
But-
jurisdiction is gone.
Survive. Nothing.
When
survives.
can you provide work completion certificate?
Day after tomorrow, Lordship.
Then no point expending money. Better to consider some other contract job for the petitioner. All right, Miss
M. Dastat.
M. Das, Learning Council for the petitioner. And Mr. N. Upaithai, Learning Standing Council,
For the respondents, Lordship.
Irrigation Department for the respondent number 1 to 4.
Lordship.
Post of. During the course of submissions, Mr. Upaithai, Learning Standing Council Irrigation Department has submitted that the work order in respect of the contract work which is under challenge in this petition was awarded on 18/11/2025. And he has instruction that the work has already been executed. Contract work has already been executed. Post that he has sought posting of this case on Wednesday in order to place the relevant instruction for this court. Post of para, place the case accordingly. Concept.
All right, Lordship.
Item 40.
My lord, I have applied for a electric commercial connection.
Yes,
The
APDCL.
APDCL is not giving, so there is
Yes.
a private respondent number 5. Only at present, I am praying only for issuing notices.
Yes, Mr.
My lord.
Hired Mr. S.P. Roy, Learned Counsel for the petition. Petitioners. And Mr.
B. Das, my lord.
B. Das, Learned Standing
Yes,
Counsel.
ma'am.
APDCL for the respondent number 1 to 4. Post of. The petitioners have approached this court stating that when they had applied for a separate commercial electricity connection to the first floor of their RCC building in terms of Section 43 of the Electricity Act, 2003 and clause 3.10.2 of the Assam Electricity Regulatory Commission, within bracket Electricity Supply Code, bracket close, regulations, 2017. The respondent authorities in the APDCL have orally declined,
Yes, Lord.
orally declined.
Yes, Lord.
Orally declined to provide such electricity connection. Post of, it is further contended that the respondent number 3 has created hindrance in the process. Post of issue notice returnable on so and so. As Mr. So and so, Learned Standing Counsel, 1 to 4. No formal notice, extra copy. Within 3 working days, the petitioners shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by speed post within 3 working days from today.
6-3. Item 41.
This is regarding, my lord, department blacklisting of a supplier. My lord, here what happened, my lord, they have issued a tender for supply of, my lord, ducts. A red contract was there, my lord, the petitioner. And as per the delivery schedule, my lord, if you'll also see at page 59, 54, my lord, delivery inspections, plot 2, E2. The point of delivery, my lord, it is to deliver in central,
Page,
page 54.
which clause?
two, E2. The ordered items shall be delivered at the ordered items shall be delivered at a state drug organization Guwahati
Based on-
or different district stores, medical college, so and so, so and so, so and so. Now, only last sentence your losses need to see. However, the lines. However, if the total value of the purchase order, value individual item, including PO, will be less than equal to 1 lakh, the consignment is to deliver centrally at Guwahati. So if it is 1 lakh or less, my lord, then it is to be delivered at Guwahati. Now your losses may come to page 56. This is I'm placing here. Okay. This is debarment blacklisting. Product debarment, my lord, first. In case of non-supply or incomplete supply, less than 90% of the total ordered quantity by the approved manufacturer, importer, firm within the agreed delivery period, including the delay penalty period or any such extended delivery period, then the concerned red contract, my lord, this is very important, my lord, because this is actually covered by our judgment also. Concerned red contract shall be cancelled. First, my lord, they have to cancel the red contract. And the manufacturer, importer, firm shall be debarred from participating in any bid called by an authority for a period of 5 years from the date of debarment for that item. So the item which will not be delivered, my lord, then that contract will be cancelled and he will be debarred for 5 years from supplying that item. Then next, my lord, in case the manufacturer, importer, firm supply 90% or more of the ordered quantity, but fails to supply the entire quantity within the allowed delivery period, then the firm shall be levied a penalty of 10% of the value of the short supplied item, and the same shall be adjusted against payment for supply. Now, next one is important. The firm shall be blacklisted and debarred from participating in any tender by the TIA or procuring agency for 3 years if, well, this is again important. If the company is debarred from all the items where it was RC red contract for less than 3 items, or at least 3 items where it holds RC contract for more than equal to 3 items. So, well, two conditions first be satisfied. On red contract, it will be cancelled. Then product debarment should be there. Then they can go for farm department. Am I clear, my lord?
Okay, let us see.
My lord, first, my lord, if supply is not done, then red contract it will be cancelled first. Clause 1. Red contract will be cancelled, then the product will be debarred for a period of 5 years of that product. This is first, my lord. Then farm debarment will be if for 3 items he is debarred, my lord, then farm debarment will come. Here the condition precedent is not there, my lord, because this honorable court delivered judgment in this
No,
regard.
no, let us see your case first.
Yes.
Deliver judgment is later on.
No, I'm just saying, my lord. Now here, my lord, even, my lord, virtually there is no proper support notice also. No.
Where is your first
135 just, my lord,
notice, first notice, first point of time.
First notice, final notice.
No, first.
Page 108, first notice.
First notice, on the
List and close as Annexure A.
yes.
Annexure A. Annexure A, 3 items.
My lord.
As on date PO delivery
Yes.
status.
This is
How
the,
much percentage?
yes. The notice, my lord.
Our reference to here it is page 110.
My lord.
Page 110.
100.
79%, 0%, 0%.
Yes, my lord.
No, that is that earlier.
No, 3 items.
Yes.
It is dated 8/5/2025.
8.5.
2025.
That
Where it is written?
My lord,
8.5.
page 109.
Digital. Okay,
Yes,
digital signature.
Yes, my lord.
Submit relevant reply to this so-called notice you need 3 days, and please be noted that non-submission relevant tender will be laid mentioned above. Where it is mentioned that you have not completed supply?
Second para, my lord.
Product department, fire department, yes, fine.
Yes.
So
Now,
what did you do against
no,
this?
now we have, my lord, that
What did you do to this Sokaj?
That reply at page 111.
One.
In reply to the above Sokaj notice, we regret the further inconvenience caused by us. That is an admission.
Yes.
We like to inform you that we had dispatched the goods on time, but were unable to deliver the goods at some reason due to misplacement of transporters, and we have traced all the misplacement into supply. Complete our 100% supplies.
Yes.
So we request you to kindly extend the delivery period
My lord.
for
Next,
another 15 days.
then, my lord, it's 112, my lord. They have
Let me
extended
go,
for
let
10
me go slowly. Let me go slowly.
Yes, yes.
It takes time for me to absorb.
That's your lord.
Then page 112, my lord.
112, they have extended.
Extended 10 days.
10 days.
When it is?
Then, my lord, your lordship.
That
will
is
come.
23/5/2025.
Yes.
Your reply was 19/5. Okay.
Page 114.
Again, it was mentioned. This is the percentage of delivery.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
How many days extension? 10 days.
10 days.
And-
Up to? Up to means 25 means about first week of April,
Yes.
Yes,
first week of June.
June.
Then
Then, my lord,
again
they-
extension.
Actually done. 114, we
Extension.
have said that.
We are not able to deliver consignment.
Yes.
15 days more. Okay.
Then
Yes.
again, my lord, 115,
And again extension.
extension, 10 days.
Again extension. 10 days.
10 days.
That is in
7, 8.
August.
August.
August, May, June, July, August.
7, 8.
More than 2 months.
Yes, my lord.
Then percentage paid 117.
Then 118, my lord, again.
117.
117.
We are looking at the percentage.
Yes, my lord.
Percentage is less than 90.
Yes.
Then
Then 118, my lord.
show cause
No cause.
notice for failure to in execution of desired supply. Item list. Nothing is 90%
Yes.
in August.
This is
Only
dat-
one purchase order, my lord. Others are there.
No,
This is dated.
but you said,
Yes.
you said items
Yes.
in the first clause.
Yes. Now,
I was taken to some page initially from the tender.
correct.
Which page?
56.
56. If
Department.
I have understood correctly,
Yes.
3 items, it is
Yes.
items.
Yes.
Apart from a rate contract, it is items,
Yes.
3. And in the list, it is more than 3.
No, first thing, my lord, divide. Items is to divide.
We'll come to that.
Yes.
Department, we have not reached yet.
Well,
We have not reached it. We are in the notice and extension
correct,
period.
correct, my lord.
Extend the delivery period, another 15-20 days, page
Yes.
122
Yes.
in August,
28, 8.
28/8. Then notice come extension. 7 days to complete the supply.
Yes.
Although that is 28, 8, but it was submitted on 15/9, my lord, page 122. Received by the authorities on 15/9.
15/9. Then this letter at page 124.
124. That extension for 7 days.
Again extension for 7 days.
Is on 29, 2020.
Then what is 126?
127, my lord, we have said
26.
26 is the table. 126 is the table.
In 2 items, 13, serial number 1
Yes.
and serial number 12. You made the benchmark, but for other 11, no.
Yes.
No.
Request again in September, 7 days.
Yes.
Notice come extension 128. That is in December.
Of
11 items, page 130. few we have made.
Yes.
Polite intimation regarding hesitation and program. Now, final notice, 135.
136. My lord, if your lordship.
Here in a greater have served a last notice with last extension to complete the supply. Please consider his final communication last over serving complete the pending supplies of all POs. What is PO? Place of
Purchase
Purchase
order.
order.
purchase order.
Purchase order.
Supplies from the receiver is noted a failure to complete the requirement to product result. Stated treatment provision. The event of and
If your lordship will see this final notice, my lord, they have not asked for any reply from us.
what? They've been repeatedly asking for
Yes, my
reply.
lord.
No.
This was the
I shall-
final.
I shall come. How-
This is final notice is to be read in continuation of the first notice.
No, I shall come
I will.
to that also, my lord. I shall come to that first. Then, my lord, this development order is there.
It would-
Lordship, see at page 140, my lord. Second one.
Yes. What?
Yes.
Yes. Now, my lord, if your lordship see, they have not cancelled my that contract, nor they have debarred me, debarred the products. Which
You have been, no, your product is not devoured. That has been stopped. They have said they would not receive because there is clause 5, sub-clause M,
that is,
alternative purchase,
Right.
meaning thereby they are not going to take your product.
that is another aspect, my lord. The
That
order
will
I-
be examined at this stage.
No, my lord, I shall place, my lord, many things, my lord, yeah. Now, if your lawsuit is, see the stock code, my lord, first stock code.
Which one?
First stock code, page 108. but they have asked to show cause. The last page, at page 109. Therefore, submit 11 reply to the show cause notice within 3 days, and please be noted that upon non-submission of reply, administrative as well as financial penalty will be levied as per 11 tender clauses so and so. My lord. Now, Supreme Court has developed the law, my lord. Now, hearing is to be given before the blacklisting. And so far show cause is concerned, this is, my lord, if you're also, I'm giving it 2021 1 SCC 804, my lord. If you'll also see, para 12. Police order at page 809. In view of the aforesaid, you also got it, my lord? Para 12, page 809. In view of the aforesaid conclusion, there may have been no need to go into the question of duration of the blacklisting, but for argument addressed before us. An order of blacklisting operates to the prejudice of a commercial person, not only in presentity, but also class attained, which addresses far beyond and may well spell death knell of the organization, institution. For all times to come, described in the civil death. The repercussion of the appellant will clearly spelled out in the repression, as also the writ petition, including consequences that Rajasthan tender, where it stood debarred expressly because of the present impugned order. The possibility always remains if a proper show cause notice has been given to the given and the reply furnished would have been considered in accordance with law, even if respondents decide to blacklist, entirely different consideration have prevailed in their minds regarding duration. Now, my lord, I'm coming.
So what is your show cause reply?
Well, I'm coming, my lord, to that. My lord, first thing, it is not a show cause at all, my lord. And because that is why I'm submitting it.
Their show cause is to the clear to the extent that you have failed to supply. Now, what is your reply
My lord,
to show cause?
no, reply, my lord. that-
Because you all along have sought for extension of time period.
My lord, I shall submit, my lord, that the condition precedent for dividing a farm, my lord, like,
Yes,
must be there. My lord,
yes,
let's-
but
let's say
I have
that-
seen, you have taken me through
Yes,
that they have repeated the extension as well as the show cause, right? Right from first to last.
First
Where
to
is
last-
your reply?
my lord, the last,
Because you have been asked to show cause.
no, final, my lord.
Where is the show cause?
Final notice, they have not asked me to reply.
No, I am asking you
Yes,
that they have right from very beginning. Every case has to be treated on its own fact.
only phone, my lord.
Now, start from 108.
Yes. So, but
Come
that,
submit relevant reply to this show cause notice.
my lord, we have,
Right.
we have
Where is your reply?
submitted for extension.
That is not show cause.
No, that is,
That
they
is
have-
a prayer to extend.
no, they have accepted it.
Accepted, right?
That is why, my lord, I'm submitting.
Right.
No, but
See the reply 112.
but the final,
Now you have requested for an extension period by letter number so and so. You have also mentioned the order ready to deliver. Also found essential. So these are a very essential item, right? So extended. Then again, then page 115.
when extended, my lord, actually, they have given a go by to that, my lord.
Huh.
Slowly, my lord,
Huh.
like this, my lord, my, and more.
Then again 118. Please 118, 19.
Yes,
Submit relevant reply to show cause notice.
yes.
Right.
Same will be, my lord.
Same.
Same.
Again, but you did not reply.
Yes.
You choose.
No,
This is your reply.
yes,
Huh.
1 to 2.
15, 20 days.
Yes.
So that is your only reply.
Now, my lord, I'm,
That is your 122. Admitting
my lord,
default on your part, you sought extension. That is your only reply. See 122.
I'm,
We request you kindly extend. That
Yes.
is your only reply.
yes, that has been accepted. So that has been given a go
No,
by.
the acceptance is not that.
That accepted. My lord, in the judgment, my lord, if you also will see para 8, my lord, of the judgment, 21-1. My lord, I forgot my lord to mention it. If you also
At
see.
this stage, what you are praying?
No, what is,
No,
what
at
support
this
is-
stage, are you pressing for interim order?
Yes, my lord,
Okay, then we have to decide.
my lord. My lord.
Yes, Mr.
In the.
Bora, you need time?
Yes, my lord, I need.
1 or 2 days, I can give. Because it is a matter of 3 years.
My lord, because.
Take your instruction because
my lord.
we are on the interim prayer.
And second,
Otherwise, you would have not issued notice simply.
yes, my lord.
Returnable that we could have decided, subject
my
to your submission. Since they are making prayer for an interim relief, it needs instruction from your side. You
Yes,
get the
my lord.
instruction, day after tomorrow we'll decide.
My lord, day after tomorrow, actually, my lord, what happens, my lord, similar matters also come, my lord, the authorities have to verify from all the concerned district officers. So it takes some time.
No, no, no.
In the
On the
next
interim prayer only.
No, for interim purpose, my lord, because he is claiming that, my lord, NSM strike, the loss of goods at the transporters and those things have to be verified, my lord. So
No, no,
factually-
whether he has made out a case on the basis of law regarding blacklisting. That is the only one
Yes, my
at
lord.
this stage,
Yes, my lord.
right?
Yes,
Not
my lord.
all this verification of facts.
Yes, my
Whether the requirement
yes, my
of putting a entity on the debarment list, debarred list or blacklisting, whether the requirements are met or not prima facie.
yes, my
That is what.
yes, my
Not on other aspects.
Yes,
That will be decided after receipt of your affidavit.
yes, my lord.
Since they have pressed for it, at least I should give a time at least for 1 or 2 days to you so that you prepare yourself.
My lord, that judgment also, your losses may just see, my lord, paragraph 38, 39. Your losses may see that our High Court judgment. Paragraph 39, my lord. Page 28, 39 to 43. Just your loss. Exactly same, my lord.
Which one?
No, yeah,
Nestor.
our High Court judgment, next one.
Nestor Pharmaceutical.
Is
Yes.
39 to 43, my lord, these few paragraphs. 43 is the last paragraph, my lord. That 43, your lordship may just see paper 43 also. On that basis, my lord, the impugn order has been set aside.
Okay, we'll go through it. Mr. Bora.
Yes, my lord.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Lord, tomorrow, can it be on Friday, my lord?
Saturday. Saturday, my lord, it may be.
Oh, Friday.
Friday, my lord. Friday.
And Mr. Ian Sahewala,
Yes, sir.
Senior Counsel, State by Mr.
21
Ian Sahewala. Post of for a petitioner. Mr. T.P. Bora, Standing Health and Family Welfare Department, appearing for the respondents, appearing for all the respondents. All, Mr.
Yes.
Bora,
Yes, my lord, all the respondents.
for all the respondents. That's what, time till
Let me
Friday.
fix on Saturday, my lord.
Saturday.
No, I don't know
Huh?
whether I may sit or not.
And latest,
In order to complete his instruction.
latest three judgments of the Supreme Court as well as three of our High Court are there, my lord. The hearing is to be given before the hearing is to be given before.
On Friday, my lord.
Friday.
Yes. God bless, my lord.
For admission, item number 8.
Lordship, there is an IA actually. IA for implement, your lordship.
Aye.
IA. Should have come up for order, I think.
for implement of the new selected bidder, your lordship. The new.
Yes, Mr.
I'm appearing, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. H. Loskor, learned counsel for the applicant as read petitioner. And Mr. G. Goswami,
My lord.
learned DGC,
My lord,
standing-
BSNL,
Huh?
BSNL council.
learned standing counsel,
My lord.
learned standing counsel, BSNL,
My lord.
for the respondent number
2 and 3, my lord.
3.
Two,
OP number for the. Yes, tell me,
my lord, two actually, my lord, 3, my lord.
only 3.
My lord, 3, my lord, there is no such post, my lord, divisional general manager, my lord, there is no such post, my lord, that is why, my lord.
2,
Two, my
for
lord.
the
So
opposite
3, my lord,
party,
3, my lord. I'm appearing for 3, my lord.
3.
Divisional
2
engineer.
also Bharat Sansar Nigam Limited.
Yes, my lord.
2,
2 also, my lord.
2 and opposite party, yes, yes, 2 and 3.
But my lord, the nomenclature, my lord, here, my lord, there is no such post, my lord, that's what, my lord, I am.
Any CGC? Mr. K. Gogoi, did you know Agoti? Learned Central Government Council for the opposite party number 1 and 4, MSTC, the GEM Marketplace.
See, notice have to go in.
No, it is IA. What is the position in main
Or
writ petition?
I will not appeal, lordship. I only for one, lordship.
Page, okay, 1. One
What about this?
full stop.
Who is Mr.
The instant application is preferred by the applicant seeking implement of the following person or entity. The cost as party respondent number 5 in the accompanying writ para, the applicant as the writ petitioner has preferred the accompanying writ petition.
Arranging the e-auction.
A selling inter alia and e-auction notice done. E-auction notice you have challenged.
Lordship.
What
Subsequent
is the date?
At page number 38, your lordship. 29/9/2021, my.
20?
29/9/2021.
You want to bracket annexer 9 to the repetition. As according to the petitioner, his bid was arbitrarily rejected. Arbitrarily rejected.
No, my lord. He was the successful bidder, my lord.
Huh?
He was the successful bidder, my lord. And my lord, he had took the, my lord, auction material also, my lord, but never lifted it.
No. Why then
A subsequent tender, I have. My lord,
challenges.
when my lord, they didn't lift
an
it, my lord.
e-auction process? Full stop. And in the said auction process, comma, the above efforts above mentioned person stroke entity has become the successful tender, a bidder. Full stop. In order, most of this interlocutory application has been filed with the averment that for proper adjudication of the issues involved in the accompanying writ petition, comma, the presence of the above person, aforementioned persons to entity would be necessary as a party respondent. The submission of the contention of the applicant writ petitioner is not opposed by Mr. Goswami, Mr. Gogoi and Mr. Goswami, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1 to 3. As the proposed party respondent is a successful bidder in the e-auction process, which has been challenged in the accompanying writ petition, is court is of the view that he is a necessary party for effective adjudication of the issues involved in the accompanying writ petition. Accordingly, the instant application is allowed. So, keep a memo party before the registry within 3 working days. List the case thereafter in the admission column on after official degree.
20:02.
Obliged.
Item 9.
Please, Your Honor. Matter regarding some non-payment of contextual due amount, Lordship.
You filed affidavit.
Your Lordship, we've already filed our affidavit.
You have filed.
Yes. And
Okay, let us see his claim. Fees order. Yes, what is your, what is the work order? Where is the work order?
Work order 14 page, Lordship.
Page
Page number 14.
14. Construction of, you have a,
Contextual amount is 2,86,900.
you are agreeable, please attend. Where it is mentioned?
Because in first value, Lordship, right?
Okay. Hello, 2,86,900. Agreement executed. Two 2012.
2 lakhs.
No, 2012 work order.
12, Lordship. But I have received in running bill 1,18,024.
When?
It is page number 18, Lordship. Annexure E.
His number 18 is different. Photographs. Yes,
Is a bank
Hmm?
checkbook, Lordship.
bank checkbook. How much you
Bank
have
passbook,
received?
Lordship.
How much you have received?
1,18,000. 1,18,024.
Where have you stated? 1,0824.
No, Lordship.
That is your statement. Para 7. Para 7. That is your case.
No, Lordship.
No, I
One-
don't know.
1 lakh-
That is your no. You are, why you are no. Para 7.
7, Lordship.
Huh.
1,18,020.
No. Here it is 1,08,000. And SIC number 934,104.
Hmm.
Okay, let us see.
934. It is also
Last
annexed.
but one. Come to 18A. Your document, sir,
8, Lordship.
page 18A. That statement, bank statement. See the date 30/3/2013. Check number 934,104. 1,08,000. 1,01,824. And according to you, that is the amount you have received already. Now let us see their statement.
1,01,080.
You are saying 18,000 time and again, despite my pointing out.
petitioner similar matter is also disposed of.
Let me see the case. Let me see their affidavit.
Affidavit has wrong statement.
Now paragraph 6 of their affidavit.
Lordship, question is that Lordship, paragraph 5 of their affidavit, in our work order is construction of flood embankment along left bank of Digaru from National Highway to Kurkuria Hill, Lordship.
Okay.
18. And in their affidavit, it is also
Where is
that
your work order?
work order
Page?
14, Lordship,
Left.
subject.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, whatever instruction we have received according to that we have.
No,
done.
wrong instruction.
Hmm?
Wrong instruction. Who is your senior?
My senior, she's due to some personal difficulty, she couldn't come today.
Wrong instruction then.
Okay.
It is in previous case, Lordship, which is already disposed of.
Which one?
In same petitioner, two work order is there. One is already disposed by our court. In this petition is also written here.
Right, but court disposes of contractual matter only on the basis of admission of liability. Here it is wrong.
Wrong.
How can we decide? Let them file proper affidavit.
Right.
Pardon me, sir.
H. Along.
A.
H. Alongir.
H. Alongir, learned counsel for the petitioner and Miss
PCA for all the respondents.
P.
CA,
Learned counsel on behalf of
RM Das, Water Resource.
Mr. R.M. Das. Whether he has come or not.
Your Lordship, he's not available.
Learned standing counsel, Water Resources Department, the petitioner was issued a work order for construction of F/E, para is subject to silo annexer seat, along L/B of Digaru from NH Way to Kurkuria Hill on 24 to 2012 with a work value of rupees 2,86,900. And according to the petitioner, he had executed the contract work fully and full stop. Against the bill submitted, he has received an amount of rupees 1,01,824 till date. And the remaining amount out of rupees 2,86,900 has not been disbursed to him till date, post opera. In the affidavit of opposition, the respondents have referred to another, it transpires that the respondents have referred to another contract work, quote unquote, based running phase 24 ase, construction of F/E along R/B of River Digaru, which had a contract value of rupees 2,49,301. Full stop. It is further averred that the petitioner had executed only 50% of the said contract work on the right bank of River Digaru, and an amount of rupees 1,24,651 had already been disbursed to him. And as a result, there was no pending liability. Full stop. Para. The state respondent shall file shall obtain instruction as regards the contract work para 14 into LB. LB honi, LB. LB. Construction of F stroke E along LB, L stroke B of Digaro from NH Way to Kurkuria Hill on Monday to place the same before the next Monday.
9-2. Item 11.
Yes. What is the matter about fish in
Other mail.
cooperative society? Fishery, ban. Yes, affidavit.
Affidavit not filed. I will file affidavit, Lord.
Lord, just one information I have received that the respondent 5 has already defaulted, my lord, and his settlement is also cancelled, my lord. So, my lord, I have filed a writ petition that his settlement to be, my lord, set aside and settlement to be given to me.
Defaulted, cancelled.
He cancelled, my lord. So far, I have received the instruction.
So
He has defaulted.
what is
in
the
payment.
provision then?
Let him obtain the instruction.
Yes,
my
lord.
lord.
I will.
What is the provision? If the first bidder, successful bidder defaults, then what is the procedure? Second bidder gets hit or fresh?
We will issue fresh NIT. In that,
Then
in
it
that
will be
event, we will
fresh.
issue fresh.
Yes, well, no problem.
Okay, he has no problem.
Then let the matter be closed, Lord.
Take your instruction.
Well,
Better to take instruction that yes.
Yes, sir.
Or do you have the instruction?
No, I
No, he has also no instruction.
can
He's
give
running the
instruction
fishery.
at 12, Lord.
Yes, he's running the fishery, despite default, my lord.
Whether
So
he
get
is
a written
cancelled,
instruction.
I can let him know after some time, Lordship.
After some time.
If Lordship wishes to close the matter,
I wish to close the matter. He has no problem if
Yes,
it has been already cancelled.
Lordship, give me some time, Lordship.
Try to get a copy in the WhatsApp also.
Yeah, but he has no, my copy has no date, my lord. There is a, so I am asking.
Show it to him so that it will facilitate him to get it urgently.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oblige, ma'am.
Next.
Obliged.
Item 12.
Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, this is a non-payment of contractual bill. Earlier,
Non-payment of contractual bill.
the petitioner earlier approached before this court by filing a 6 different writ petition against the 6 different work order. And this honorable court disposed of the writ petition.
Where is that?
That is on that is on
What is the previous,
25.
what is the connected writ petition earlier?
Earlier,
40?
This the Lordship passed a common order in 6 different writ petition. That
Which
is
is
page
that?
25.
Page
Page 25, my lord.
25.
But page 25 is a contempt, my lord. Page 20, my lord.
Page 20.
Page 20, Lordship order. Page 21, start, my lord.
Page 20.
This petitioner, this terms of,
This is Zid Bosumotari, 3997/2020. When it was disposed of? 2021. What was your contract value? 43,82,000.
yes, I have annexed only one.
Upon had issued an advice for payment after completion of his bills. It was for what amount?
The first one is 43,80,000.
This petition was for 32,72,494.
Yes,
Okay.
43,82,000.
No. See paragraph 2.
Oh, 30, yes, 32,72,000.
So it was part.
Part 494.
So it was disposed of.
It was disposed along with similarly situated
Okay.
5 petition. I have annexed only.
Now what happened? Thereafter you filed contempt or what?
Contempt
Petition.
petition.
That
And-
page 24.
Page 24. And contempt petition was.
No, that is different.
On.
Is that in compliance with the order? That is some WPC 4415. Okay.
That-
Okay.
In the context.
After alleged violation of the so-and-so, when claim of the video was to be processed in terms of so-and-so. In a compliance of the past in so-and-so, name of the in a list, effect for payment of money. It can be closed as he provided the list. So the name has been included in a list of persons to be verified for payment of. Contempt petition is closed. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
contempt petition.
They have
In the
submitted,
list where his name is included,
name is included
serial number,
7.
not in, here, okay, this one. This is relevant for the present writ petition.
Yes, 725.
No. We are into one. Let us be specific
Yes.
to the one. Serial number 7.
7, my lord.
Contempt case number 58. Oh, that is different. That contempt case. Contempt case number 13. Where is that?
Number 13 is
All are blacked. Contempt case number 13 is not there.
30.
13. Improvement.
I think 42.
9 to 2016 work order. Improvement of road from Tihu Boroma. Seal number 49.
49.
You should have marked it. Then what happened?
And yeah, but till then they
Okay,
have.
then this writ petition is filed for what?
Yes, it would, as they are admitted that their name has been prepared and they are going to.
This admission is up to what amount?
Only for 32 lakhs. But finally, the petitioner has approached before this court by filing a one writ petition mentioning the all 6 writ and that he not paid any single amount after the consolidated list. And after that, after filing this writ petition, my lord, the respondent authority has paid in the pending of this writ petition, my lord, respondent authority paid 10 lakhs each in 4 different writ petition that I have mentioned in page 8, paragraph 4. I have mentioned the 6 different writ petition where
Paragraph?
Paragraph 4 is 8, my lord. The respondent authority paid 10 lakh each in C, D, E, F. C, D, E, F. And WPC number 42.
Paragraph 4 finally approves this code.
Out of 18.
399 before this code, total bill amount so and so. Then
Tendency of this
after filing a writ petition, he disposed of all the repetition to examine the claim. Okay. Claim writ petition, a petitioner contempt case. Issued a notice, therefore appear affidavit. Contempt is closed by
Respondent
and so
10 lakhs.
list of liabilities. Submit. Now, where you have said 10 lakh?
Tendency of this return they have paid. This
Where
is-
you have said?
After filing of this writ, they have paid. Not my
And whose affidavit? Affidavit is
affidavit has been filed, my lord, on 1/9/2025, my lord.
so in this the work order or contract work involved in this writ petition, did you receive any money? No.
Only we received the 4 numbers of writ.
No, in this case, we are Going individually, why you are mixing up?
This writ petition I have filed along with the other.
Right, but the contract work involved is 32 lakh. The
32
claim was 32 lakh. The original writ petition was for 32 lakh. Then contempt petition was also for 32 lakh.
Yes.
This writ petition is again for 32 lakh. How much you have received in against that contract
30
work?
In 32 lakhs, I did not receive
Anything,
any single.
anything. Now, what is your statement? Yes,
Yes, Lordship. I have received instruction.
yes, what instruction?
Instructions, Lord. Property fund availability of fund has been exhausted, Lord. Last paragraph.
So what is this writ petition? What is the instruction in this writ petition?
This is only the instruction, Lord.
What instruction? Tell me, point out. Don't throw a paper like that.
Lordship.
What is the specific instruction with regard to WBC 4063? Which one?
Reference number
WPC
WPC 4063, Lords. The Atul Basumkar.
the video, please to approach.
The W.
What is this? I have not understood. What is the work involved? What is the contract work involved here?
So for this instruction, Lordship,
What is the contract work involved here?
contract were involved. my
What
lord,
is the contract work?
in this
Come to page 21.
yes, Lordship.
Improvement of road from Tihu Boroma Road to Haramjhar Road via Mohakuli, so and so, so and so. Where is that mentioned?
This is Lordship.
Where is that?
Tihu
I have not seen.
Lordship. Improvement of road. Yes, Lordship.
I have not seen.
I have also not seen Lordship.
Then
Further, I will take instruction.
why you have thrown this paper?
Lordship, so far WPC
Financial
number
sanction.
25, Lordship. WPC number is same. That is by Lord.
Now come to your page for last page.
Yes, Lord.
Financial sanction means what?
Financial sanction, my Lord.
Means what?
Supposed to be financially, we are ready to,
Is it a lollipop or what?
Lordship.
Only lollipop. On paper. But nothing will be credited in the bank or what? It is this 32,72,494. Financial sanction was granted on 21st
29th January.
January 2026.
Then
What does it mean?
recent, this is recent.
This is specific to this writ petition. What does it mean? Don't look at the paper in the court. Come prepare from the chamber.
Lordship.
What does this mean? There is a financial sanction for this 32 lakh.
I didn't.
He has submitted that they have no money. Financial sanction on 21st January. Just
Yes.
day before yesterday. What does it mean? Exactly for this improvement of road from Tihu Boroma. This is the financial sanction. 32,72,494, exactly the amount which is involved in the first writ petition. Now, what does it mean? Will it translate into money in the bank of the petitioner or not?
Yes, Lordship.
Or a paper,
Yes, Lordship.
only simply a piece of paper?
In the
You are saying yes to everything?
first page, Lordship, last paragraph.
Not required. This is important. Last page,
Last-
21st January. Competent authority BTC hereby pleased to accord financial sanction for an amount 32,72,494. And the scheme is improvement of road from Tihu Boroma to so and so.
Yes, sir.
Administrative approval on 21st January 2026. Then sanction to executive engineer. Financial sanction is hereby accorded subject to observance of the following terms and conditions. DDO will adhere to relevant rules. Then other rules. Retired deposit expire. What is correct? Financial sanction has been granted in this case. In the other case, how much is the amount involved?
Yes, different amount was involved, but.
Please tell me the amount.
Um,
Don't say different amount.
In WPC number 4085 to 2020, the bill amount was 23,48,000.
Oh, it will give.
23 lakhs.
In other, you have received instruction. Miss Bujubra, you have another case, right?
Yes,
Another Muslim Ali.
Muslim Ali. That is another.
Lordship, I have received. I received.
Firstly, what is the meaning? See, financial sanction has been granted in this case, 32 lakh. And you have referred to 4 other cases. You said that money has been exhausted, so the amount in respect of those 4 contract work will be paid as and when money is received. But so far, this case is concerned 32 lakh. You have said that you have granted financial sanction.
That is
No, I don't know.
further instruction I will take, Lordship. That is why.
Take instruction right now. No point keeping it pending.
Lordship.
Again, the next day, somebody else will come. Take instruction right now.
And item number 13.
Next, let us see.
13.
What is your instruction there?
Same.
What is the original repetition? Order.
Order, my lord.
Original repetition order. Previously, what is the work? Black topping.
Page
This is black
17,
topping.
Black tapping, 49 lakhs, 84,572 only.
Reported after so and so. It is entitled for an amount. Then condemn case.
Contempt case, my. Same thing was happened.
Order did complied with.
76 serial now. In consolidated.
Affidavit in opposition. CL number 633. In the claim list, yours CL number 633.
But while the contempt petition was filed, they have submitted the list where the name appeared only 76.
What is your instruction, sir?
Lordship.
Please.
76/21. Annex.
I'm sorry, Lordship, this is different instruction, Lordship.
To come back after 10 minutes,
Lordship.
or half an hour, take instruction
file
at least
some-
on the first repetition, item number 12, whether financial sanction means it will be disbursed or not.
Lordship, disperse order.
Do you have a copy of your instruction or not?
Yes, I have.
You have.
I have.
Please get it clarified whether financial sanction means amount will be credited or he will bind it in a wall by paper decree, or it will really translate into his account.
Lordship.
Or do you have any senior?
Lordship, yes.
Please call. No point keeping it pending.
Item 14. Last two occasions is not appearing now.
We put it appropriate orders. Close it.
Lordship,
Huh?
otherwise Lordship, he is not entitled because his firm has to be changed, Lordship.
This is the third occasion now.
Lordship.
Peacock. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Stop. When the writ petition was listed earlier or previously on 13/8/2025 and 18/12/2025, the petitioner in person was found absent on call. Stop. It was observed on 18/12/2025 that if on the next date of listing, the petitioner was found unrepresented, then the appropriate order would be passed. Full stop. Para. On all the three occasions, comma, Mr. S.S. Roy, Mr. S.S. Roy, learned CGC, Central Government Council for the Respondents, is present today as well as on the two previous occasions on 13/8/2025 and 18/12/2025. Full stop. It's from the above. As the petitioner is found as there is non-representation on behalf of the petitioner on continuously on three occasions, comma, the court is persuaded to take a view that the petitioner is no longer interested to pursue this writ petition. So accordingly, comma, the writ petition is dismissed for non-representation. If he comes, we'll see.
Obliged.
Yeah, I am appearing for respondent number C.
Yeah. Okay.
We have filed our.
You
evidence
file your
proposition.
reply.
Here, my friend has come. Here, my lord, the issue is there, my lord. The petitioner has taken the issue that I have made the illegal construction violating the municipal norm. Otherwise, at this stage, before my friend starts, my lord, may I pray, my lord, the petitioner and the private respondent, they are uncle and niece. So there is every possibility to settle the matter outside the court. If 2-0 mediation drive is going on, if your lordship,
Then I'll.
otherwise, my lord, on merit, my lord,
That is a different issue,
if
but
it is
whether
tried, my
any
lord, let
scope
us
for
make an attempt, my lord.
mediation.
If fail, again matter will come on.
My instruction is that mediation
difficult in this case. The precise reason, then after undertaking before the honorable court, they would not do any further instruction. My latest instruction from yesterday, that my lord, in the dead of night, but lords, in the backside of the building, construction is going. Now it is so difficult for us to go to the backside of the building and take photographs and present before this honorable court. My specific instruction is still going on, and it is done in the under cover of darkness. And my lord, even if we try to go, we cannot encroach into somebody's property, and there are other people's properties on the other side. It is absolutely not possible. So in all fairness, my lord, they had undertaken before this court that they would pay their hands, they would not, my lord, do any
No,
further.
that is, my instruction is
Now,
that no.
I did not interrupt. Now, what I understand is that, my lord, this respondent has taken a huge amount of money, my lord, from large number of people for putting their shops on rent in that building. Now, my lord, probably she's under pressure to complete that. That may be one reason that they are doing all these things. But scope for mediation, my lords, as per my instruction, is that it is not possible. We
Let
would-
us,
we would,
otherwise,
take an order from your lordship.
parties are related, therefore I am pressing my uncle and niece relation, my lord.
No, right, but if that
There has
is,
to be an affidavit.
it has to be.
And
at
so far,
least,
my
that-
friend
that-
is submitting on the instruction.
the process of mediation should be with consent with both the parties.
Yes,
that
that's
they will enter into the process with a free mind. If the petitioner's mind is clouded, that there is no chance of.
Otherwise, at one point, they reached into agreement, and this agreement in my affidavit and opposition, I have annexed.
Here, one aspect of the matter is there, my lord. Tezpur Municipal Board, which has given the permission, apparently, they, in spite of service of notice, did not respond.
They are
They
otherwise
they have not represented me. But my lord,
So that is recorded.
it is recorded, my lord, Lazima's order is there.
Service is complete.
It is complete by post as
So-
well as by Dasti, my lord. No, but my
So
lord, the
otherwise.
record of the permission should be before your lordship. That is my
Okay.
humble submission.
Okay, if you want to respond to their affidavit,
No, I have
already filed.
Yes,
Already
yes.
filed. Pleadings
Okay,
are complete.
pleading is complete.
Leading is otherwise complete.
Okay, we'll fix a date for a hearing,
Much.
admission, in the admission stage.
Only in my humble
Please
submission,
post.
perhaps the chairperson of the board should be directed, my lord, to, my lord, at least apprise this court with the original record of the permission. Because that they have neither, being a statutory body, they cannot avoid the process. Man. It's not a way to, it's not,
Yes, Mr. Polita. You have received, and why you are not saying that? That you are now representing the municipal board. Then file it.
the executive officer, I have this.
Okay, now he is the main person. Chairman is a elected
Yes.
man, but it is the executive officer, his office is permanent. How much time you want? To fix a date?
lordship.
Do it because earlier you went unrepresented. So respond number 5.
Number 5.
Okay. Heard Mr. A. Ganguly, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. M. Petia, learned junior government advocate for the respondent number.
Person from exit.
No, you represent also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So stop. Mr. Petia has submitted that he has also received instruction from the respondent number 5. That is Executive Officer, Tezpur Municipal Board, to submit a counter affidavit in this writ petition. As he has received an essay instruction, he has sought for 2 weeks' time to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 5. And Mr. I. Namuddin, learned counsel for the respondent number 5.
6.
The prayer made by Mr. Petia on behalf of respondent number 5 is out. Release the case on suspension.
27 to
June.
2.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue
Lodge.
till then.
Keep level.
Item 16.
On behalf of 1 and 2, affidavit has been filed. 5, we will be filing it today.
Okay. And you are filing any rejoinder?
I'll file rejoinder, Lordship.
When?
Finance affidavit is necessary, Lordship.
It will be
because,
filed
Lordship,
today, madam.
Okay, he is going to file today. That
Lordship.
is for respond number.
Madam, 1, 2, and 5, all the state respondents filed as a additional AGM appeal. For the labor department as well as the finance.
One, two,
And 5.
and 3, 4 represented by you. Okay, Mr. J.M. Gogoi.
JM Google.
Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General. Some for the respond number 1, 2, and 5. And Mr. B.P. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the respond number 3 and 4 are present. Full stop. Mr. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General Assam, has submitted that the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respond number 1 and 5.
1 and 2 has been filed.
Okay.
5, it will be filed today.
On behalf of the respondent 5 is going to be filed during the course of the day.
Fine.
So, Mr. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that if the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 5 is received, he would need, how much time you need?
2 weeks time, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file affidavits in reply to the affidavits of opposition filed by the respondent number 1, 4 and 5. Place the case on so and so that.
Second month.
The prayer is allowed. Place the case.
Before.
Item 17.
Affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. May it please, Lordship, we have received our instructions, Lordship, in this matter, but we need some time to file our affidavit.
Okay. Mr. S.D. Roy.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. H.
HR does, Lordship.
HR does. Learned Counsel for the respondent number
2, 3, and 5, Lordship.
2,
APGC.
3, and 5 are present. First of all, Mr. Das has submitted that he has received the necessary instructions to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 2, 3, and 5 and has sought for how much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. So, list the case on so and so.
Second month.
Prayer is allowed, list the case.
Item 18.
Lordship,
Yes,
is pending hire charge bills
I had charge bill.
of a vehicle
Okay.
since 2020 and up to 2024. So they have got the instruction, Lordship.
Affidavit.
Affidavit is also filed, my lord.
Fine.
What is the, your claim is for?
For
Is
31 lakhs 15,000
446. And
what happened, Lordship? The year 2021, there was an agreement, the respondent, that the petitioner's 20% of 4 or 5 bills that may be deducted with the condition that there will be one final payment.
okay.
So some amount has to be,
So this out of 31 lakh, some amount is to be deducted.
yes, Lord.
What
With
is
that
it?
respect, my lord, I have received instruction, my lord, 29 lakhs has been forwarded, my lord. In 64,000.
It is at page 32 of their affidavit in opposition. They have mentioned.
Now they are saying that
Earlier, my lord, it is another proposal with respect to my lord.
Hmm?
With respect to another proposal, my lord, the amount that has been mentioned, my lord. FOC is with regarding my FOC purpose.
there are 6 proposals.
Yes.
Hmm? Thereafter, one para, it may be mentioned here, sanction number so and so. That is in respect of what? Defined proposal.
Defined proposal.
No, first proposal.
Yes, my lord.
First proposal.
Yes, my lord.
But FOC fixed on ceiling,
Yes, my lord.
that is not received.
That is not this.
Now, what is the meaning of this?
My lord. Why, my lord, FOC ceiling has not been, my lord, released, I cannot say my right now, my lord, because, my lord, they said that, my lord, when, as and when it will be, my lord, FOC is issued, my lord, it will be credited, my lord.
Give it for within 3 months.
Yes.
Lots.
Yes, my lord.
Right.
Yes.
That will be a reasonable period
Yes.
for to process the matter for FOC.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. T.K. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. M. Setia, learned junior government advocate, Assam, for the respondent number 1 to 4. And Mr. Gogoi, is there any finance? Finance man? Call somebody. And Mr. So-and-so, standing counsel, finance department for the respondent number 5.
6.
No, it has been renumbered.
Oh.
Close down. You have one vehicle?
Yes,
Okay.
constantly on hire, sir.
The petitioner is the registered owner of a vehicle within bracket bus bearing registration number AS-01/HC-9378. Full stop. The petitioner has stated that on various occasions, the subject vehicle was requisitioned by the police department for different purposes, including maintenance of law and order, since 29 to 2020. Full stop. As the petitioner is entitled for hiring charges of the vehicle for the periods for which the subject vehicle was taken on hire, the petitioner submitted bills for hiring charges for the period since 2020 in terms of the rates prescribed by the state respondents. Full stop. According to the petitioner, the total bill amount towards our hiring charges accumulated up to submitted by him was for rupees 31,15,446. Full stop. As the said amount, outstanding amount towards hiring charges of the subject vehicle was not released, has not been released to the petitioner despite representations The petitioner is before this court seeking inter alia direction to the respondent authorities to disburse the said amount of rupees 31,15,446. Full stop. Para. An affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 4 on 25/11/2025. Admitting inter alia that the subject vehicle or the petitioner was hired for the purpose of maintenance of law and order duty under the provisions of the Assam Requisition and Control of Vehicles Act. Comma 1968 as amended on various dates for various periods during the years from 2021 to 2024. Full stop. The respondent 4 has further highlighted that as against the total bill amount of rupees 31,15,446 against 12th number of bills submitted by the petitioner, comma, the petitioner had also signed a declaration to the effect that he would be willing to allow deduction of 20% of the higher charges from 4 number of bills after negotiation as one-time settlement. Full stop. Para. Mr. Chetia, learned government advocate appearing for the respondent number 1 to 4, has placed an office letter dated 12/1/2026, comma, received by him, comma, from the Deputy Commissioner of Police within bracket Crime Assam. From the office of the respondent number 3. Full stop. With regard to the claims of the petitioner for hiring charges, outstanding hiring charges, comma, it is mentioned that after submission of the declaration by the petitioner expressing his willingness for deduction of 20% from the hiring charges of 4 number of bills upon negotiation as a one-time settlement, comma, an amount of rupees 1,51,436 has been deducted from the said 4 number of bills at 20%. And therefore, comma, the actual outstanding claim amount would be rupees 29,64,010. Full stop. The respondent number 3. The respondent number 3 has further stated that the bills have already been forwarded to the sanctioning authority to accord approval for sanction against the following 6 number of proposals. It is underline 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Para. The respondent number 3, the office letter of the respondent number 3, office letter dated 12/1/2026. The respondent number 3 has further mentioned that the petitioner would be entitled for the admitted amount of rupees 29,64,010, and the same would be paid to the petitioner as and when sanction as well as FOC is received from the state government. Full stop. Para. Mr. Chettiar Learned, Junior Government Advocate appearing for the respondent number 1 to 4 has submitted that a period of 3 months would be a reasonable period to complete the entire formalities for a release of the admitted amount of rupees to 29,64,010. Post office. In view of the aforestated, in view of the Mr. Mishra, Land Council appearing for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner has no objection if the admitted amount of rupees so and so is disbursed to him within a period of 3 months from today. So in view of the broad consensus arrived at by the Learned Council for the parties, in the aforestated manner, this court is of the considered view that instead of keeping this writ petition pending, the same can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities to complete the formalities of sanction and apostille. To disburse the amount of rupees 29,64,010 to the petitioner within a period of 3 months from today. It is accordingly ordered. The petitioner shall submit a copy of this order, certified copy of this order at the office of the respondent number 4. DGP?
Yes, my lord, as well as
Huh?
finance, as well as finance also.
And respondent number 5 within reasonable period, it is accordingly ordered. Submit a copy, certified copy of this office order at the office of the respondent 4 and the respondent 5, so as to facilitate, so as to enable the respondent number 4 and the respondent 5 to facilitate expeditious dispersal of the admitted amount to the petition.
Instruction may be kept on.
And a copy of the office letter dated so and so is kept with the case record by marking it as document X. This order, next order, disposal of the repetition.
Lord.
11, my lord, he received instruction.
Huh.
11, he received instruction.
He has some misunderstanding.
Yes, misunderstanding.
He has misunderstanding. Actually, in AFDC also he has bills. So we cancel AFDC bills.
Yeah,
FDC fishery is cancelled,
huh?
not the government fishery, my lord.
Okay, okay. This
I
is
have-
what? Government fishery.
Government fishery, he has
Government
bills.
fishery means
Fishery
60%.
department.
60% fishery.
Yes, 60%.
You represent whom?
I represent both.
Both.
Now, no, not now. AFDC is not before your lordship.
Ah.
Of fishery department only.
Okay.
In AFDC, he is also a lessee. From AFDC, we have cancelled him. So he misunderstood it.
What is the tender notice?
Tender is in page number 36, lordship. Oh, no, not 36. It is
Page 12.
12.
11, 12. Is by district fishery, my lord.
Oh, this is 40%.
Yes, not
40% category fishery.
Yes.
Oh, no.
40%.
No.
Obviously, it is 40% mentioned. Which one? Serial
Yes,
number?
40% fishery.
Serial number?
Serial number 9.
60%.
60% fishery.
If 40% is there, or DC is representing now.
But the 60% by district fishery development officer? Whether he is the authority for 60%, no?
I have challenged, my lord, that's why.
Authority is always.
60% cannot be by district fishery development officer. It must be by state government.
No, lordship.
Deputy commissioner is the primary authority.
No, lordship. Fishery department is the primary authority. Deputy commissioner.
Right,
acts on-
government, I say state government means they are the authority, but the tender notice can be issued. Yes, it is there.
But decision cannot be taken by.
No, tender notice, I said,
Yes, yes, sir.
as a primary authority, it can issue. But the tendering authority is basically the state government. And it has to be settled by state government.
Lordship, this part, DFDA can also issue that part we will discuss in the.
Later part,
Well, in that
but what is your case?
Case is that.
What is the settlement order?
Yes, settlement order is at page 34.
Huh?
Page 34.
34. This is correct. Fishery Department.
Yes, Fishery Department. I misunderstood.
Deputy
my-
Commissioner will process
Yes.
it, prepare a table, then send it to the government with his comment. Thereafter, Fishery Department will settle.
Yes.
So what is your case?
The case is that I am the head.
PAN,
bidder.
individual name.
No, not individual, Fishery Society itself.
No,
The
you're,
PAN card, PAN
you are
card.
Dhumkar or what?
Yes, no.
Dhumkar.
It's a Fishery Society. man.
PAN is in individual name. So what is the case? 2 weeks
It's a
respondent.
Fishery Society.
So both of you should file the affidavit. That is the instruction.
Respondent number 5 has filed. I
Fine.
have received his copy, my lord. Affidavit
Okay,
is filed.
it is not in record.
Yes, Friday,
Okay.
just last Friday. man.
B. Shinha for the petitioner. P. Sharma,
Decided.
Land Standing Council, Fishery Department, for the respondent number 1,
Four, I think.
2. Also 3 and 4,
People over here.
or Bokolial.
Before DC.
DC and District
DC,
Fishery.
4 I will take.
Okay, 1, 2, and 4. I am Mr. G. Bokolial, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3, and Mr.
B.U. Laskar.
B.U. Laskar Learned Council for the respondent number 5. So stop. The respondent number 5 has already filed its affidavit in opposition. But the same is not on record. First of registry to trace out the affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 5 to tag it with the case record. Post of Mr. P. Sharma, Land Standing Council, Fishery Department has sought for and is granted
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 4. The appraisal, already, the list the case on sense. And also the records perhaps.
Records.
You get it, get the records.
All right.
Whatever not is not addressed can be looked into.
Lordship.
All right.
Item 19.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Reka.
Your Lordship, they are supposed to file affidavit today and as well the record.
During the course of the day, my lord, it will be filed, my lord.
Oh, good. That is reasonable enough. Next Monday. Let it be on record. Heard Mr. A. Dekal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. M. Setia, Learned Junior Government Advocate for all the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
Post of Para. Mr. Setia has submitted that the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents is going to be filed during the course of the day. Post of lift the case on Monday. With the affidavit in opposition of the respondents, comma, if filed in the meantime, comma, with the case record.
There are few matters are similar, also item number 20.
All are going to be filed.
Yes, my lord. In some cases, my lord, 1 or 2, and my lord. I
Okay,
cannot say, my
so
lord.
likho within a week's time.
Yes.
That will do?
Yes, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, same affidavit will cover, my lord, all the matters.
21,
Within this week, will
Yes.
within this week.
21, 22.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Sorry.
So that will cover within
Yes,
this
my lord.
week.
Similar matter, my lord. All the cover.
Within this week will cover.
Yes, my lord.
Take me, tell
Yes,
me.
yes, my lord. Because my lord,
Or next Monday or Wednesday.
Wednesday, my lord.
Okay, Wednesday. Within a week's time, likho. So next Wednesday, please video. It is 11th hobo. 11th. Others are same, which
Yes, item 21,
21, same,
22,
22,
23.
23.
And in supplementary, there are two cases, item number 47 and 48.
Okay. Same order within week's time. Wednesday. Nineteen নহয়. 19 to, no, 19 to. 19, 20, 21, 22,
20 is different, Lordship.
Oh, 20 is different.
Yes,
20,
21,
19, 21,
22.
22, 23, 47, 48.
Yes, Lord. Simply available.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Commissioner is a retired employee, my lord. He has submitted an application for permission for delayed death certificate of his father. His father died in the year 1994 at his residence due to natural cause of death. And he has submitted online application on 2025, page 24.
Page 20. Application now.
Is format. I have also submitted the affidavit.
Format, where is the format?
At page 25.
And that is the application acknowledgement received. Right? Then where is the format?
Well, this is the
Page
format.
25.
Yes, ma'am. Page 27, affidavit, then the Gambura certificate. Page 31, Gambura
What
certificate.
is the name of the disease? Prashant
Porosuram,
Porosuram Inti. Disease address. Yes. Next.
died on 1/8/1994. Then now the department has filed affidavit. There are two affidavits. One affidavit filed by the
Prince Chandra Inti. Follow up.
page 34. They sought some clarification from the deputy commissioner. The authorities are insisting me submit the doctor's certificate. Since my father died at his residence due to natural cause of death, I could not provide the death certificate. And therefore, my application has not been allowed for permitting delayed death certificate. Page 32 is my representation. Page 34, their letters addressed to the district commission, seeking some clarification. Thirty-five last paragraph. In the light of above, I therefore request your kind guidance, direction. If a Gambura product certificate can be considered as an alternative document in regard to issuance of permission for delayed death certificate for such cases.
So what is the governing provisions?
Governing means, my lord, paragraph 7, they have stated in the.
No, in the act, main act. Like delayed birth certificate, delayed death certificate can be issued. What
Yes,
are the procedure
My lord,
statutorily prescribed?
my lord, page 20, this is the guidelines.
No, guideline is guideline. What is the statutory provisions?
Stated provision.
Guidelines cannot cannot go beyond statutory provision, right?
Now the department has taken a step. If doctor certificate is not available, they have to furnish a certificate by the cremation committee. But in my area, there is no cremation committee. In lieu of cremation committee's code, I have submitted the Gambura certificate.
Right.
And
Mr.
therefore,
Sharma, what is the statutory provision?
regarding statute,
Those are procedural formalities they have made. What is the statutory requirement?
there is some guidance, my lord. As per
Guidance is not statutory
lord.
requirement.
registration of death in India is a mandatory after the enactment of
okay.
registration of birth and death,
Hey, এখন চাবলৈ।
1969 Act. Registration of birth and death rules, 1978.
Aye. What is their affidavit?
One affidavit filed by the
Office memorandum
45
delayed.
that has been annexed to my repeat also.
According to them, which is the document which is missing? Which is not submitted?
Cremation certificate. They now admitted that my father died at my house, that in lieu of doctor certificate.
Where they have admitted?
Paragraph 6. The certificate of Gambura cannot be substituted the mandatory doctor certificate or cremation. Paragraph 6, page 41.
Where is the notification or guideline?
Guideline page 20. My affidavit, they have also annexed page 45. The health department, director of health stated that the medical certificate of cause of death is not mandatory for registration of such death.
Where is that procedure delayed?
Office memorandum, page 20.
MICD form number. Where is form number 4A?
Eligibility.
Form number 4A is available somewhere. Form number 4A. Come to page 53.
53.
Or your annexer. Is 36. Seal number 3, date report forwarded by register of part and date. Where is that?
That has been submitted along with the format, my lord. That has been annexed, my. Along
That
with the-
is certified.
Yes, ma'am.
Who has signed?
My lord, register of birth and death, office of the chief register of data.
Let us see what is that.
The date. Has been submitted along with the online application.
Yes, how to overcome such a situation?
Otherwise, they have submitted report to the government, my lord, for seeking guidance.
Legal procedure for delayed registration of death.
Page 53.
আপোনাৰ এইটো লাগিবই না লাগিবই অৰ্ডাৰ লাগিবই আপোনাৰ নহয় এইটো ডেট হৈছে ডেট
Find out how to remove this kind of difficulty.
otherwise lordship the steps for simplify lordship that part is page
If-
47
if-
page 47
In earlier times,
page
there may not be a
lordship
set cremation ground,
that part is there lord
right? That, you know, in which area it is?
Norakahur, Kailipara.
Huh?
Kailipara, Norakahur.
Kahiripara. Maybe in 90s, in Guwahati also, we have hardly few cremation ground.
that is there
Okay.
the
Bhutnath, Navagraha,
Lordship.
and 2, 3 others.
lordship
Otherwise, in village, maybe a designated place, but where from you will get cremation certificate? Who will give?
even today also
Gambura certificate is enough for that.
Lordship.
So far as village is concerned.
Lordship.
Let us Kalapahar also, whatever, this Norkahur, what area, 1994, how to overcome this difficulty?
Lordship.
Therefore,
That even lordship page
Your affidavit.
dear affidavit, page 9, paragraph 57.
Yes, 57.
Paragraph 9. Paragraph 9.
That is what section 13(3).
13th lordship
Section
13th
13(3).
lordship 13th lordship
Thereafter, a verification
Lordship.
process
Lordship.
is required. That I have seen.
13th is there and lordship in the line of 13th lordship page 47 lordship page 47 that steps 47 lordship in the guideline also lordship
Page
page 47 lordship page 47 lordship at the chart lordship
They have filed the application,
Lordship.
right? Let us, for a timing,
Lordship.
we'll ask the respondent of 4 district commissioner whether he has directed for an inquiry
lordship
under section 13(3).
lordship
We have to overcome this difficulty.
lordship
He has some difficulty in
Lordship.
your documents
lordship
mentioned in the notification, something which is not possible now
lordship
at this distant point of time
lordship
to give a cremation certificate. If he died at home, that is also at that point of time, doctors nowadays in institution, the hospital gives.
lordship
And in case a person dies at his home,
lordship
then a nearby doctor comes and he says that this is the,
lordship
I certify the date.
lordship
Thereafter, the procedure is easy. No cremation certificate is required.
lordship
But 90s now,
that part lordship
that part is not, neither the doctor
lordship even Blaise admin also not given any
and
certificate
cremation certificate is not possible.
lordship
If such is the difficulty, then only option is that the direction and discretionary power
lordship
after the verification process perhaps. So we'll ask first, then we'll proceed.
Lordship.
Otherwise,
lordship
Page 53 that is pending before the government, my lord. In such a situation, what to do? The additional assistant
I
commissioner.
have seen that there is a clause removal of difficulty
Yes.
provision.
lordship even
So let us
even
hope-
act also lordship even act also indicated
In the act, main
Lordship.
act,
Lordship.
removal of difficulty.
lordship
That power is available to the government.
lordship lordship that part.
Of my
No, wait. Otherwise, we have to proceed with care. Otherwise, I have seen person getting a death certificate after 2 years. Say he died in 1990, but he got certificate in recording date of 1995 for some ulterior motive.
Lordship.
It happened in my case when I was a lawyer. So it is, first we have to take the verification process to a logical thing. Hired Mr. N. Sorman, Learned Counsel for the petition. Mr. A. Gogoi. You are for?
Lordship, I am for Lordship, question of 6, Lordship.
Okay, 6.
5 and 5, 4,
4,
5
5,
and
6,
4, 5 and
perhaps.
6, 4, 5 and 6, Lordship.
Okay, Ms. D. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department for the respond number 1, 2, and 3. And Mr. K. Gogoi, additional senior government
Lordship,
advocate
Lordship.
for the respond number 4 and 5. Full stop. There are subsection 3 of section 13 of the Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969. As well as Rule 9. Of the Assam Registration of Births and Deaths Rules 1999 has provided for delayed registration of death certificate, full stop, as per subsection 3 of section 13, comma, PD. As per sub rule 3 of rule 9 of the 1999 rule, any date, comma, which has not been registered within 1 year of its occurrence, comma, shall be registered only on an order of a magistrate of the first class. Like, Para. Mr. Gogoi, Learned Tradition shall obtain instruction whether the respond number 4 has directed for verification of the correctness of death of the deceased, that is the father of the petitioner, herein on receipt of the application for issuance of death certificate from the petitioner with requisite fees. A list as sought for by Mr. Gogoi is the case on, yes, what, up to what time? Tell me.
Sir, 3 weeks, Lordship, in the meantime, I will.
Okay, list the case on
Lordship.
to enable Mr. Gogoi to obtain the necessary instructions.
Lordship.
One more minute, Mr. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petition has submitted that section 32 of the 1969 Act has provided a power to the state government to remove difficulty.
Lordship.
And in the absence of a cremation certificate beyond the control of the petitioner, in the event of as he has submitted that in the substitution obtaining in the case, it is beyond the control of the petition either to submit a doctor's certificate or a cremation certificate for the purpose of issuance of a delayed death certificate in respect of the date of a petitioner's father. And as such, a state government has, I can remove the difficulty exercising its discretionary power. We'll just record it so that
They can apply their minors.
Please, the
Regarding that, that I may apart my additional commissioner has written a letter to the joint secretary to clarify the point.
he has further referred to a
Specific
letter dated
6/11/2025,
written by
Assistant Commissioner, Dispur District, Party.
to the state government.
The Joint Secretary of Government.
To the state government in the which department?
Health and Family Welfare Department.
Family Welfare Department seeking instruction in the matter.
Clarification regarding permission.
Seeking clarification regarding grant of permission for issuance of the death certificate.
In substitute.
Item 24.
Issue notice returnable so and so.
The last question, there is an order, file affidavit by the respondent, but they have not filed it.
Lordship, last,
And-
we have prepared with our letter, Lordship. Till today, they have not give us the extra copies, Lordship. Letter was prepared on 18/12, Lordship. Notice was issued on
And
17/12.
Mr. James Chaudhary.
Just now.
Notice 17, letter was ready on 18, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. J.M. Chaudhary, learned for the petitioner, and Mr. A. Gogoi, learned additional senior government. Some for all the respondents, post of. As it is submitted by Mr. Gogoi, learned so and so, that extra copies of the writ petition along with annex are in deference to the order
I'm
dated
sorry, madam.
17/12/2025 have not been supplied to him. Mr. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the petition, has undertaken to serve the extra copies, supply the extra copies of writ petition along with annexa within.
Today, madam.
Okay, during the course of the day. So, Para, place the case on so and so for filing of counter affidavit by the state. How much time will need?
At least 3 weeks.
Okay, place the case on so and so. Oblige.
Oblige,
I would answer it. 26. I thought you did 26 too.
Item 26.
Lordship, I pray for little accommodation. We have written a letter, but we have not received the instruction, Lordship.
R. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. K. Gogoi, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for all the respondents.
Lordship.
All the respondents, state respondents has sought for and is granted
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file. the
Can we
count-
make sure
To obtain the necessary instructions and to file the counter affidavit. Post of, as sought for, lays the case on so and so.
Lordship. Lordship.
For 6 and 7 filed affidavit matter, but not on record matter.
Okay. Ms. Gayan, you represent?
Yes, my lord.
All-
6 and 7, state government.
Okay.
Water
With-
resource.
For water resource?
Yes.
States? Mr. K. R. Patgiri, learned counsel for the heard Mr. K. R. Patgiri, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. A. Gayan, learned central government counsel for the respondent number
6 and 7.
6 and 7, full stop. Ms. Gayan has submitted that an affidavit of opposition on behalf of the respondent number 6 and 7. Today, filed
No,
today,
my lord,
29-1.
29-1.
already been filed today, but the said affidavit of opposition is not on record. Full stop. Lays the case on. Okay. It is enough. Do you want to file anything? No.
Already admitted, my lord, he is released
Okay.
the entire amount.
Lays the case on so
Doctor
and so. With the affidavit of opposition
60.
of the respondent number 6 and 7, comma stated to have been filed already, comma on record.
Master.
There is no representation on behalf of the parties today on call. Let the case, comma, for instance, the case will begin on so and so date. Yes.
Kindly refer the last order, my lord.
Lordship,
Last opportunity was granted. My lord, in item number 46, affidavit has not been filed since 2022.
Lordship, in 46, we are filing the affidavit today, Lordship. Lordship, may record my statement.
Today,
Today, Lordship.
46.
46.
You are
the-
for private
the
respondent.
respondent, Lordship. And affidavit from the Gwalpara Municipal Board is very much essential in this present case, Lordship.
The SOPs
Who is state council?
Our affidavits, it ready and sent for vetting, my lord. 1 week time may be granted, my lord.
Ready?
My lord.
Sure.
Sure, my lord.
After 1 week, my fixed date.
Mr. T. Chakrabarty, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. G. Bokolia, learned state counsel. Learned junior government advocate for the state respondent, and Mr. D. Das, learned counsel for the respondent number
6 to 13.
6 to 13 in 46 are present. Mr. Das has submitted that the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 6 to 13 has already been filed. However, the said affidavit
I have not
in
received
opposition
payment.
Will be filed, Lordship.
will be filed during the course of the day by supplying a copy of the same to the learned counsel for the petition. That's first para. Mr. Bokolial has submitted that the affidavits in opposition, one affidavit or three separate affidavits?
One cover every.
Okay.
Of
A combined affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents will has already been drafted, and the draft affidavit in
Manifest.
opposition has been sent for vetting. He has sought for how much time you need?
My lord, list on 13th.
Okay. He has sought for listing of the case on 13/2/2026 in order to file the affidavit in opposition in the meantime. Stop. List the case on 13/2. Cases.
There is an interim order in 46.
Interim order, comma, wherever passed, shall continue till the next.
Cause of action of W 960 and the present case is totally different. Lord. A separate, if it probably.
Let them file.
We will look into.
Thereafter, we'll see. Yes, what is the meaning?
Lordship, meaning I got lordship.
Meaning
I
we have got.
lordship, Yes. Financial sanction has been granted lordship
That I have
in
understood.
respect of 2 items lordship.
No, item number 12.
Item lordship, scheme of name lordship, third phase lordship. Third phase, our instruction,
Fourth page.
third and fourth lordship,
Fourth you say first.
fourth also.
Fourth you say first.
Oh, yes, lordship. 432 lakhs,
Ah.
72,494
Financial section I have seen, it
Yes,
is granted.
granted.
Does it mean that amount will be
Not
disbursed to
credited.
the petitioner? Or
Yes, lordship, not credited,
Huh?
not disbursed.
Will be disbursed or
Will
not?
be disbursed, yes, lordship.
By what time?
They said that at least 3 weeks.
3
is
more
required.
weeks.
3 more weeks required, lordship. In respect of these 2 items, out of these 6 lordship, 4 items we have paid 10 lakh, 10 lakh.
That is not the
Yes, lordship.
part of the discussion.
Lordship.
We are only to item number 12 and 13.
Yes.
You say what?
Payment will be done.
Financial section has been
Has
made
been made
and disbursement will be made within 3 weeks time.
3-4 weeks, lordship.
No, 3 weeks.
Within a period.
No, unless
more
we
thing,
don't
lordship.
put pressure, you will not release.
Maybe
We'll put, yes. Heard Miss A. Buja Borua. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
BC Musahari, lordship.
P.C. Musa, Learned Standing Counsel,
Yes, lordship.
PTC. For the respondents, full stop. Mr. Musahari has submitted, has placed a copy of financial sanction. Fourth page fourth page. Bearing number so and so dated 29/1/2026, marked and kept as document X, and has submitted that the BTC has accorded financial sanction for an amount of rupees 32,72,494 in respect of the claim made by the petitioner in respect of towards outstanding dues for the contract work, improvement of road from Tihu Boroma. Post stop. Mr. Musari has further submitted that the aforestated amount will be disbursed to the petitioner within 3 weeks' time. Full stop. He will place the instruction regarding disbursement of the amount on the next date of listing. If the case is posted after 3 weeks, place the case on so and so. Right. And it is what is the other amount?
Other amount, Lordship, 13 lakhs.
To financial sanction, 28 January. So work to construction of slab culvert. Amount 13,46,049. Same date. Marked as kept as X. So next time.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
So read the documents properly.
Yes, Lordship.
Don't come without reading it. Oh, same. Yes, Mr. Upadhyay.
If the new incumbent has to be implemented as party, Lordship. I don't know, Lordship, whether the new incumbent has the knowledge of this.
New incumbent, that is okay.
Lordship.
But otherwise, what is your instruction? Ultimately, it is a payment.
Lordship.
Whoever is in the office.
Whoever may be in the office, he has to pay, Lordship. But he.
Ultimately, department has to pay.
Lordship, I'll get the instruction, Lordship.
Madam, you have to
Lordship, on the
implead.
last occasion, they take time.
No, you have to implead also in the meantime.
Lordship, happy
What is the claim? Your name, please.
facing Lordship.
Learned third Miss so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. N. Upadhyay, learned counsel for the respondent. To stop. Mr. Upadhyay submitted that the respondent, implead hearing, has retired or what?
Already retired, Lordship.
Has
Way back,
defeated
Lordship.
his office from the post of Chief Engineer Irrigation Department.
He retired
Government
in
of Assam.
23,
And
12,
in the meantime, a new incumbent has joined. He will furnish the particulars of the new incumbent to Miss so-and-so. Post of Miss so-and-so, it's sought for 2 weeks' time to file appropriate pleading as to implead the new incumbent in the office of the Chief Engineer Irrigation Department, Government of Assam. Post of Mr. Upadhyay, who is also the standing counsel, Irrigation Department, Government of Assam, shall obtain instruction as regards the process, as regards the present stage. As regards the present
In fact,
status,
Lordship, he has received some amount, Lordship. Some amount has
as
been paid.
regards present status of disbursement of the remaining amount of the outstanding liability to place the same on the next date of listing. Place the case after 2 weeks. You file a implement application. Get the particulars. from Mr. Upadhyay.
Item 28.
non-payment of bill lordship, we have, bill date, bills has not been released.
Idhar.
21,92,000.
Huh? How much is the
21
outstanding
lakhs.
amount?
21,92,000.
Your lordship,
21 lakh
92,000.
92,000.
Yes. The work is of the year 2013-14, and these honorable.
Yes, what is your instruction?
lordship, we have not yet received any instruction.
Huh?
Actually, we have been recently engaged in respondent number 3 for respondent number 3, Akashdeep.
The order is of, this honorable court passed the order on 17/12.
Respondent number 3.
Yes, respondent, and we have been recently, on the last occasion, we have been engaged. We have been engaged on the last occasion here. So we kindly give us 2 weeks time, we'll obtain all the instructions.
But do it 2022.
Yes.
Are you taking the court for a ride?
No, your lordship.
Huh?
Lordship, I am extremely sorry. On the last occasion, we have been engaged.
Last councils, those who were last councils lordship, they also took time lordship. And this is an order of 17/12/2021.
Oh, the whole panel is changed.
Or maybe you should.
Maybe, but the office does not change.
Yes.
Incumbent changes. Similarly, standing council changes. Idhar for the petitioner is present.
Ardhar.
Ardhar. Mr.
P. Bhomik on behalf of AK Bhuiya.
Mr. B. Bhomik, Learned Council, on behalf of Mr. A.K. Bhuiya, Learned Standing Council, PTC, appearing for all the respondents, has sought 2 weeks' time to obtain complete instructions as regards the present status regarding payment of the outstanding dues of the petitioner. So, as sought for by so and so is the case on.
This may be the last chance lordship.
Let him complete instruction.
We'll complete the instruction. Oblation. This one.
Item 29.
Please, your lordship. Your lordship, the respondent authority was supposed to file the affidavit.
But none has appeared so on so many occasions.
Yes, your lordship.
R. Chetri once appeared, one Mr. R. Chetri. Yes, Mr. Gogoi, do you know any R. Chetri? Which department otherwise? AFDC.
Yes. Then also I
Call
inform.
Mr. P. Sharma.
Oh, to me, oh, yes, CC.
Ah, you are R. Chetri.
No, K does. K does, lordship.
Ah, so this was the last opportunity. But anyway, on the nobody's name is reflected in the cause list. So benefit of doubt should be given to them for once.
Lordship, kindly.
I'm giving benefit of doubt because nobody's name is reflected in the cause list. So you take instruction.
Yes, lordship.
Money.
Your lordship.
Money.
Yes, your lordship.
How much?
Reassessment of the Revenue Act.
Okay.
Your lordship, but
Miss-
I just want to intimate this court that the petitioner has received a communication from the office of the DC, your lordship. Your lordship would.
Otherwise, also my sister has received one communication. One is is on lordship 26/9/25.
1 minute. What is the order? Petition was settled with Mori Kolong and Puta Kolong bill by order dated such for a period of after taking possession of the presided the petition for the actual physical petition. While in application.
Yes, Mr. Pascal.
Madam, being active.
Your side.
So now circle officer has submitted a report. So taking into that taking that report into account, the managing director AFDC is to submit file a pass a speaking order. So we'll post it after 2 weeks.
Otherwise, one speaking order is there, my lord.
No, that is nothing.
It is not.
Neither here nor there.
Neither here nor there, lordship. That's why.
So now this order is to be passed.
Lordship.
Okay. You represent. Okay. Do you have a who has placed this? So definitely this must be addressed to MD also. So your MD must be having a copy of this. You also furnish a copy. Heard Miss
MK Brown.
M.K. Brown, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Miss
K Das.
K. Das, Learned Counsel for the respondent. Full stop. Perused the contents of a speaking order dated 26/9/2025 passed by the Managing Director, Assam Fisheries Development Corporation, AFDC Limited, and a communication bearing number so and so dated 19/12/2025, placed by the Learned Counsel for the parties. Full stop. From the report and the speaking order, it transpires that the circle officer, Nagaon Hodor Revenue Circle, Nagaon, has already submitted a report before the district commissioner regarding the total area of Mori Kolong and Puta Kolong bill, and the area of the bill under encroachment. Full stop. As per the direction made in the order dated 21/2025, passed by this court in WPC number 7041/2023, the managing director AFDC is to pass a fresh order by taking into consideration the report of the circle officer, jurisdiction circle officer, in respect of measurement of the boundary of Mori Kolong and Pota Kolong bill, the case is deferred for 2 weeks to enable Ms. Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent, to place the speaking order, if any, passed by the respondent on the basis of the report submitted by the jurisdictional circle officer. Lays the case on so and so.
The respondent's name may be reflected standing.
A name of Miss
K Das.
K. Das.
Your lordship also in the cause list, your lordship.
Learned Counsel for the respondent is to be reflected in the cause list.
7. Items 30 to 38.
Lord, herein in the main case on 1st of December 2025, order was passed that the PWD and the Finance Department are to be added. Accordingly, my lord, 9 different IAs were filed. Out of them, my lord, one IA was listed on 19/1/2026 and the implement has been done. Today, my lord, 3 IAs have not come. In item number 34, 36 and 37 are yet to be listed.
Where it has come?
My lord, item 30, 31, 32, 33 and 38. 30, 31, 32, 33 and 38. These 5 IAs are listed.
34, 37.
Okay, same order.
My lord, same order.
Or all 7 and 8. Respond number?
7 and 8. All 7. All 7 and 8.
Okay, Mr. B.C. Pathak for the
B.
applicant.
Pathak.
B. Pathak. and Mr. K. Goy, learned additional senior government advocate for the respondent number 1 to 6.
Lordship.
Full stop. Lastত লিখিব, প্যারা করে দিব। কি? Lastত লিখিব। The learned counsel for the petitioner shall file an amended cost title, terms of notification with so and so within 3 days from today before the registry, and on filing of such amended cost title, registry to cause the necessary correction, and thereafter list the case writ petition for admission on so and so day. 3 days.
Ballot.
Do it. So this will dispose of
cover
the
item
ayes
30,
in item
31.
number 30,
31,
31, 32,
33,
33,
and 38. And 38.
38. So 34, 35, 36.
My lord, 34, 36, and 37 IAs are not listed.
So
today, my lord.
34, 30,
36 and 37.
35 also.
35, my lord, already order was passed.
Okay,
On 90.
34 and 35. Sorry, 34, 36.
And 37.
37. Okay, লিখিব হেগিটা। একেলগে common order দি দিব। Mr. B.C. Pathak, sorry, B. Pathak, applicant, sorry, writ petitioner, and Mr. K. Gogoi, additional senior government advocate for the respondent number 1 to 6. Mr. Pathak has submitted that separate interlocutory applications for implement of parties have already been filed today, but the said interlocutory applications are not listed. So stop list the cases on
20.
Friday, these three. 34, 36, আৰু 37. Igita video Friday or Monday?
Monday for IFO consideration.
Huh?
Remaining IFO consideration. Monday.
No, these IAs are to be listed along with them. The list the cases with the interlocutory application for implement stated to be filed already. 34, 36, 37. 35 to
35 was already allowed on 19/1/2020.
along with 35 করে দিব। Or otherwise it will get separate.
No, my lord.
Right, along with 35. Monday.
There was-
Thereafter again we'll list it. We'll list it together.
See, present status, Lordship, I have just forwarded, Lordship.
What is the claim? I have to
Implementation of administrative approval was done, Lordship.
Case was that, my lord, these are detention centers for detected
Okay.
foreigners. We had that-
I get a deal too. It was 34, 30, 37. I to list the Egita I to Egita main case of in view of the order passed today in IA, লিখিব IS তাতে একেটাতে লিখি দিব এটা অর্ডার কনসোলিডেটেড করে দিব ঠিক আছে 34, 35, 36, 37 along with বাকিটা যিকেইটা রিপিটিশন এলাও হৈছে অলরেডি আই কেইটা এলাও হৈছে so that all come together on Monday. Then we'll look into it.
Lordship. Oblige.
Into এক number file to throw you, or you can place or we'll keep it in the item number 1.
Lordship.
Itu আছে তাৰ প্ৰথমটো থৈ দিব
Supplementary list, item 49.
Lordship, instruction is still awaited, Lord. Some time may be granted, 2 weeks.
resume service. Resume service. Who are they? You represent whom?
Agriculture Department, Lordship.
Education.
Agriculture Department.
Agriculture.
Lordship.
And who are the other respondents?
Seed Corporation, Lordship.
You do not represent them.
Lordship.
Is there any,
They have separate standing counsel.
who is it?
As Samaria normally appears, Lord.
Okay. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Full stop. Miss G. Bora,
Lordship.
Learned Standing Council, Agriculture Department, appearing for respond number 1, 2, and 3.
1, 3, and 6, Lordship.
1, 3, and 6. As sought for further 2 weeks' time to obtain parawise instructions in the matter and to file a counter affidavit if so advised. So stop. Peruse the office note dated 30/01/2026, wherein it is reported that the notice, service of notice upon the respond number 4 and 5 is presumed to be complete. Full stop. It is submitted at the bar that the respond number 4 and 5 has a set of standing council
Lordship.
and submitted a bar that Mr. S. Somoria is the standing council of the Assam Seeds Corporation Limited.
Lordship.
First of, list the cases on so and so. The name of Mr. S. Somoria, standing council, Assam Seeds Corporation, be reflected in the cause list, in the respondent side in the cause list. Miss
S dash.
S. Das, লিখে দিব, S. Das, present, huh? Hard for you, hard and.
Hello.
By this I am seeking a modification in the order dated 29/1/2026. Also will find it.
Fishery Standing Council. Yes, fishery. I think fishery.
My lord.
Fishery Standing Council, who is the fishery standing? The Gogoi. Apart from government advocate, I think fishery.
Fishery is there also, Mr. Soma is there also.
Yes, what is the case? Yes. What is your case?
Lord, the case is that, my lord, petitioners number 3, opposite party number 21, they were served with a notice, my lord, notice of eviction. My lord.
Opposite party number?
3 to 21, my lord. They are the shopkeepers, my lord. They were running the business, my lord.
Opposite party?
My lord.
Opposite party?
Opposite. No, my lord, the petitioner.
Applicants. Petitioner.
Applicants.
Applicants. 3 to?
3 to 21, my lord.
21.
My lord. They are running shops, my lord.
So what
and they have
kind of
an agreement with the
what kind of eviction notice? Where it is?
my lord, this is the main requisition, my lord. I have annexed 9.
Page.
Lord, it will be page number 75 onwards. my lord.
75.
75. I'm sorry, annexure 8. my Notice is saying that, my lord, we have illegal anchored end of the fishery market. In fact, we have agreement. The marketing committee.
Directed to kidnap.
So, my lord, when the matter was on 29/1, my lord, a pointed query as to whether we were permitted to run the business by the responding authorities. I could not produce the, my lord, the original agreement that has been there between the respondent number 4 and, my lord, the marketing,
Respondent number four.
four, my lord. And the marketing committee, my lord.
Respondent number, who is respondent number four?
That is, my lord, the managing director of the Assam, my lord, Fisheries Development Corporation,
It is a fishery run by FDC.
my lord.
Hmm? FDC.
Subsequently,
You are running stall. How FDC come into picture?
my lord, because the petitioner theory has been, my lord, given on list by the respondent number. Petition,
AFDC has the fishery,
my lord,
control of the fishery,
my lord,
right?
my lord.
So how in a fishery matter shops are in picture?
Because in the petitioner fishery, my lord, the market was permitted to be run, my lord. And that
Where
is the
from? Where
agreement.
from? Where from?
Yes, that is, your lordship will find at page number 22 of my IML.
Let me understand. There is a message.
The agreement, my lord.
1 minute. হাতীহলা আঞ্চলিক সাপ্তাহিক বজাৰ
Bazar Porichaalna Committee. The committee,
No, Porishana committee will come later on.
my lord.
Hatihalla Anshalik Saptahik Bazaar, weekly market. Right. Then according to you, by these allotment orders, you are allowed to run
My lord,
a stall, temporary shop,
my lord,
right?
my lord.
That is represented in the writ petition. Then what happened?
That, my lord,
That notice.
subsequently,
সাপ্তাহিক বাজার মাছ বিক্রি কেন্দ্ৰত ইমান আলী সভাপতি হাতীশালা মীন বজাৰ মীন মহলৰ বজাৰৰ মাজত পৰিচালনা কৰি Where is the impugned notice?
lord, page number 75 onward.
75, 77. 17. What is High Court Order 17/12/2025? There is a mention, right? Page 77.
My lord,
আপোনালোকক জনোৱা হয় যে গুৱাহাটী উচ্চ ন্যায়ালয়ৰ 17/12/2025 তাৰিখৰ চিঠিৰ নিৰ্দেশ আৰু
in fact, we are not aware of the order. Earlier, there was no-
you are not aware.
my lord.
Where is Mr. Sharma? Now, what is the case?
My lord, the case is that, my lord, while the matter was heard on, my lord, 29/1, in a pointed query as to whether we were doing business, my lord, with the permission of the respondent number 4, we could not produce the, my lord, copy of the agreement, my lord. Therefore, my lord, the stay was not granted, respect of the impugned notice. My lord. Last paragraph.
Yes, Mr. Is available.
Yes, madam. Something, my lord, Lordship may peruse the page 74, my lord. Right. There's allegation and counter allegation, then, my lord. Some vendors are illegally, my lord.
But here,
In the
they-
agreement only for the, my lord, president, in the name of president, my lord. How, my lord, this person come into picture, my lord? Yes, to see we look, my
We
lord.
have some agreement, we have some.
is that body is a party here?
The
Is a
president-
party Sala Ancholik Haptai Bazar Committee?
No, my lord, because they have no objection, my lord.
No,
Then
you're
that,
not
my
a
lord.
party. They are not a party.
My lord.
Not part of my lord.
Not a party. You repair petition number 1 is Sosikola Fish Market, Satikola Fish Market.
My lord.
Who is he?
This is the fishery, my lord. Petitioner.
No. Petition number 1.
My lord.
Who is he?
So this is the, my lord, the.
Who is he?
He mentioned that he is represent.
He is
Current
by
lessee.
settlement holder, my lord. This is the petitioner fishery, my lord.
No, he is a fishery.
My lord. He is
He
represented by.
is a settlement holder of the fishery.
He is represented.
Now your agreement,
My lord.
how he has fishery, how he can allow
This person to be my lord.
huh?
Legally, my lord.
No, my lord.
Increase the near sale of fish here. Oh, he has set up. How can he set up a weekly market?
With my lord.
Paragraph 2.
With the permission of the my lord respondent
But
authority.
here your agreement,
My lord.
agreement is by Iman Ali
My lord.
with MD
My lord.
regarding that is Hatihala Ancholik Ancholik Haptahik Bazar Porichalna Committee.
My lord.
And you are under that Ronanjoy.
My lord.
He is a settlement holder of the fishery.
In fact,
But AFDC has entered into agreement with Hatihala Ancholik Haptahik Bazar Porichalna Committee. Then how he has set up the market?
my lord,
Lordship may peruse the page 24 of the.
But here their settlement order or allotment order is by Iman Ali again.
Yes, my lord. Even my lord.
Yes,
page number 20.
you are AFDC, fishery, and AFDC, same. P. Sharma. P. Sharma. What is his instruction? He has gone home or what? Oh.
Even my lord, page 24 of the.
Read petition, my lord.
Not my lord.
Oh, their allotment order is by Iman Ali.
My lord, we have agreement with Iman Ali, my lord.
Point number 6 may be perused, my lord. 24, my lord.
No, so we are into privacy thing. Page
Yes.
24 of the IA.
Yes.
There is an agreement between Managing Director AFDC and Iman
President.
Ali, Chairman or President, Hatihala Ancholik Haptahik Bazar
Bazar Porichalna
Porichalna Committee. At least there is an agreement to run a market.
Yes.
Allotment orders annexed by the petitioner, those were issued by Iman Ali.
My
Yes.
lord.
Maybe I don't know what is the
Yes.
actual picture. So on the previous date, they could not present this agreement.
Agreement.
And that is their case. Perhaps on the strength of allotment order issued by Iman Ali, they are running their shops.
But
As of
that is
date.
not clear for me, my lord, how this.
No, that is
No, my lord, page number 24.
Prima facie, now it is,
Even my lord.
ultimately it is a eviction order.
Yes, madam. Even my lord, 24, my lord, page 24, point number 6, my lord. দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ বজাৰখন চলোৱাতে সীমিত থাকিব বজাৰৰ কাষত বজাৰত গছ গছনি থাকিলে ডেট ইজ না 7 মাইলত দ্বিতীয় পক্ষই কোনো লোকক বজাৰখন বিক্ৰী অথবা হস্তান্তৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰিব
Right.
নতুবা বজাৰখন বন্ধকত ৰাখি ঋণ ল'ব দিব নোৱাৰিব মাইল He can only run my lord. He cannot allow to run the market mile or shops there.
But the respondent should find their affidavit at least.
Yes.
At least. On the strength of that, at least they have some claim.
Yes, my
If it turns out to be a wrong claim, that is a different thing. But
Yes.
if the eviction order is passed, if the eviction notice is acted upon, I think prejudice might be caused to them. For the time being, heard Mr. A. Ali, learned counsel for the applicants, writ petitioner. Writ petitioner number 32.
My lord, 3221.
21. Yes, Mr. Soma. I think I have heard you are not that very well.
Not very, not trying to be.
Okay. In this case, what to do? They have made out a privacy case for the time being. They have annexed a document, veracity of which can be vouched by you only page 24.
Page 24.
Of the IA. Right. Managing Director AFDC had entered into an agreement with one Mr. Iman Ali, Hatihala Ancholik Saptahik Bazar Porichalona Committee, and to allow him to run the market from 34 number Hatihala Min Moholor Antorgata Kalimati. So their allotment orders were issued by Iman Ali. Perhaps the basis is this agreement. Now eviction order has been passed by who?
By the
Circle officer. So if it is your fishery and if it is your vacant plot where this Iman Ali was, that as a chairman of that committee was allowed, then may not have a
Right, by the government.
So let us go. In the meantime, you file your response. If their claim is wrong, they'll be evicted. I highly learned counsel for the applicants. That's writ petition number 3221. Mr. P. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Fishery Department and AFDC. For the opposite party number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And Mr. M. Chetty, Junior Government Advocate for the opposite party number 6 to 9. Post of para. The applicants have annexed. And the applicants have submitted that. Sorry, the counsel for the applicants have submitted that the opposite party number 4. But you have to bring that Hatihala committee as a party respondent, otherwise, because allegation and counter allegation, maybe you are encroacher.
I'll do my.
With one Hatihala Ansolik weekly market. What is the English of Porichalona Committee? Hatihala Ancholik Saptahik Bazar Porichalona Committee. For operating a market in the vacant plot within 34 number Patihala Min Mahal on 14/6/2019. And full stop. It is further submitted that the agreement was executed by one Iman Ali as the president of Hatihala Anshalik Saptahik Bazar Porichalona Committee. Full stop. The allotment orders, the applicants have further submitted that the allotment orders annexed as Annexer 1 series to the writ petition, whereby the applicants petition number 3 to 21,
21, ma'am.
21 or 23
21, ma'am.
were allowed to operate their shops on allowed to operate their temporary shops on the basis of the said agreement were also issued by Mr. Iman Ali, President so-and-so. And as such, the eviction order, eviction notice issued by the opposite party number 9 is without authority and jurisdiction. Mr. Ali has further submitted that due to, as the applicant's writ petition number so-and-so could not place the agreement dated so-and-so on could not annex the agreement dated so-and-so with the writ petition. The order dated 29/1/2026 came to be passed. On the basis, on the strength of the agreement dated so-and-so, he has renewed the prayer for an interim order. Mr. Sharma and Setia has submitted that they would need to take instruction as regards the veracity of the agreement dated 14/6/2000, veracity and genuineness of the agreement dated 14/6/2019, and on the aspect whether the petitioners are running their were allowed to run temporary shops from the land, vacant land of 34 number Hatihala Min Mahal. Having regard to the projection made on behalf of the applicant, number so-and-so, it is observed that the party shall maintain status quo as regards the position obtaining as on today. Till further consideration of the matter. The instant interlocutory application stands accordingly disposed of. Para. Next. Heard Mr. A. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. P. Sharma, respond number so-and-so, likhe M. Setia, so-and-so likhe Mr. In view of the order passed today in IA C number 185,
My lord.
2026, comma, it is directed that the parties shall maintain status quo as obtaining today till the next date of listing, meaning thereby, comma, the responding authorities shall not act upon the impugned notice dated 26/12/2025 till the next date of, till further consideration of the matter. Full stop. Para. Mr. Sharma and Mr. Chetia have submitted that from the projections made by the petitioners, it is evident that Patihala Ancholik Saptahik Bazar Porichalona Committee is a necessary party for adjudication of the issues raised in this writ. First of para, Mr. Ali has sought a week's time to file appropriate pleading, seeking implement of so and so as a party respondent in this writ. Right? Lays the case after 2 weeks of.
It was fixed, my lord, 18/2, my lord, was the negated in the repeat.
Lays the case on 18/2/2026. The respondents may file their counter affidavits in the meantime. So status quo
Status quo, your lordship.
as on
In
today.
any way, lordship,
No, not to act upon the eviction notice.
was of the earlier part, lordship, prior to 2021. At that time, there was.
If the agreement expires,
Actually, they can.
okay, I have to rise.
Obliged.